Today, we're going to tackle a new and important topic: how to properly cite content from generative AI tools like ChatGPT or Gemini using the APA-style guide. When you use information from a generative AI model, you need to cite it in the body of your paper, just like any other source. For in-text citations, you'll include the author, which is the company that created the model, and the year the content was generated. For example, a paraphrased sentence might look like this: "The use of generative AI in academic writing is becoming more common. OpenAI 2023. If you're using a direct quote, you'll still use the same format. Since there are no page numbers, you can't include a specific location. At the end of your paper, you need a full entry in your reference list. It's a specific format that includes the author, year, title, and retrieval information. The author is the company, such as OpenAI or Google. The year is when you generated the content. The title of the AI model, like ChatGPT or Gemini, should be in italics. Add a short description in brackets, such as large language model. And finally, include the URL where you access the tool. So, a complete reference entry for ChatGPT would look like this. A quick but important note: you only need to cite the specific content you generated for your paper. You don't need to cite the AI if you're just brainstorming or using it for general knowledge. And of course, always check with your instructor for their specific guidelines. Thanks for watching.